sunshine. I've got you now. My body on body, oh.
Hello guys! Kung gusto mong mawala ang taba at lumiit ang braso mo sa loob ng 10 days, gawin mo itong workout na to kasabay ng konting diet and full body workout. And kasama ko nga pala ang aking bestie na si Aiza.
Hi.
At siya ang gagawa ng no equipment version. Ako naman guys, gagamit ako today ng dumbbells dahil gusto ko lang matone ng konti ang muscles ko. But feel free to do this with or without equipment.
So for today, 5 moves po ang gagawin natin for 3 rounds. And feel free na magpahinga ng 1 to 2 minutes after each round. So kung ready na kayo, let's go!
Simulan na natin sa punches. Forward, forward, up, and up. Mas maganda kung i-twist natin ng konti ang torso at i-pivot ang foot sa pag-punch para mas may impact. Let's go! Front, front, up, and up. Exhale every time you punch, guys. I-raise nito ang heart rate natin to prepare for the next moves. To overhead press, which is another great calorie burner to help slim down our arms, whether gumagamit kayo ng dumbbells o hindi. Inhale sa squat, then exhale naman sa pag-raise ng arms. Squat, tayo, arms, and down. Inhale, tayo, exhale, balik. You got this. Just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy. Nice! Next up, side to front raises para sa shoulders and triceps and biceps. Raise to the side, down, raise to the front, and down. Away from me, baby. Kung hindi gumagamit ng dumbbells, pwedeng pilisan ang movement or higpitan ang grip. About you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home. Susunod, bent rows to tricep kickbacks for our back and triceps. Bend forward with neutral back and then pull with your arms to waist at squeeze ang back and chest out. Then straight ang arms palikod. You're different when I say I need you and you head. Squeeze your back hard and then straighten the arms. This will help remove the back fats, armpit fats, and bat wings. Kayang-kaya natin to. Last move na natin to before we take a break, bicep curls to overhead press. Keep your elbows to the sides as you flex your biceps and then iangat ang arms, balik sa sides, and then lower it back down. Your actions to prove me you're different when I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you know.
Break time, guys!
Kung nag-enjoy ka so far, isang like muna dyan and get ready for
Round 2!
Ulitin lang natin lahat from the top. Straight punches, let's go! Front, front, up, and up. Exhale, 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 exhale. Nice, guys! You are doing really good. Keep it going. Next up, squat to overhead press. Inhale sa squat and exhale sa pag-raise ng arms. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Nice, guys.
Hopefully you will figure it all out somehow, Why I'm acting weird whenever you're.
Very good, guys. Medyo intense siya. So, next natin ang side to front raises para medyo pahinga muna. Ready? And go!
4-inch heels, stride on the sidewalk. All I need is hearing your sweet talk. Yeah, feel so free. My mind wanna jaywalk. Yeah, take a sip of that crazy look in your eyes.
Nice one, guys! For to the last exercise, bent rows to tricep kickbacks for sexy arms and back. Pampawala rin to ng bra bulges and armpit fats. So let's work it!
As we go, we flow into each other. One level up with you. Wanna make you feel it too. Wanna come around and roll closer. Yeah, yeah. Feel so real. We are a vision. Take a sip of that burning love in your eyes.
Last move na natin, guys, before break, bicep curls to overhead press. Remember to keep your elbows sa sides for bicep curls and regulate your breathing.
As we go, we flow into each other. One level up with you. Wanna make you feel it too. Wanna come around and roll closer. Yeah, yeah. As we dance, as we move, as we fall.
It's break time, guys! Ready for round 3! Punches. Hindi lang siya pang arms, no workout din niya ang shoulders and chest and lats, especially if you punch hard enough. Give it your best shot. Front, front, up, and up. Exhale, 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 exhale. You're doing good, guys. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Friends don't like that I'm with somebody, oh no, I just want to stay in this melody, oh.
Squat to overhead press. Kayang-kaya natin to, guys. Let's burn those arm fats and get sexy arms. Inhale sa squat, exhale sa pag-raise ng arms. Let's do this. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. Feel the burn in your arms and legs. Okay, side to front raises na tayo para sa front and rear deltoids natin or yung shoulders, but it also works out our biceps and triceps para sa sexy arms and upper body. Are you ready? Let's go!
I was down when I saw you in the clouds. Out of days, filled with doubt. I was drifting in and out, levitate, fade away. I had left both time and space, but you just caught my eye. Hey, nah, nah. come over. Let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, 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 nah. Delve into emotion. Leave us in this moment.
Second to the last exercise, bent rows to tricep kickbacks. Say goodbye to flabby arms and bra bulges. Alam mo na, pull, squeeze, and stretch. And make sure na control din ang pagbaba ng arms. Let's go!
Let your mind be free. Stop holding back 'cause you can fight it. Oh, I don't know your name, but something in me has ignited. Oh,
Last exercise for slim and toned arms, bicep curls to shoulder press.
out of phase, feel without.
Pull it and push it. Work the biceps and triceps. Last na to guys, we will finish strong. Let's go. Curl it and push it. Pull it back down, lower it. You got this.
Please won't you come over? Let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, 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 nah. Delve into emotion. Leave us in this moment.
Finally guys, we're done!
Workout complete!
Tapir! Good job guys! Salamat for working out with me and Aiza. And kung nag-enjoy ka, isang like naman dyan. And comment down below kung natapos mo ang 3 rounds para naman mabati ka namin.
Para sa mga tips kung paano maging fit and sexy, watch mo naman to.
And as always, stay fit
And stay healthy!